Hello. Welcome to our channel, my friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a tutor next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And usually, when we do our analysis on the weekend, we usually look at various time frames. We look at the higher time frame and we discuss about the best trading opportunities for day traders, swing traders, and the position traders. We look at a daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, 2 hour time frame. But today we will only be discussing about the opportunities on the hourly time frame because for the last couple of weeks we have seen that the weekends have become very dangerous because of the tension between USA and Iran. The war between USA and Iran and any escalation will have a direct impact and we will see a gap up and gap down opening. If you have been following the news, then you must know that already they have declared that there is a possibility of an escalation during this weekend. So it's of no use discussing about the trading opportunities on the other time frames because as we know it very well that for swing traders we need swings or proper direction in the market. And I have been telling for the last couple of days and weeks that gold is not an ideal option for swing traders right now because the direction of the market is not clear. For example, 4,000. 4,000 is a very bad level for traders like us because whenever market is around 4,000, we get confused. We don't know in which direction gold is moving. Similarly, if you're a positional trader, then obviously you don't need to worry about the charts and all. Every dip is an opportunity. So the reason behind sticking to hourly time frame for this video is that we will only be discussing about the trading opportunities based on levels. That's it. Level to level trading is the only solution if you are a gold trader. Now, let's discuss one by one. But before I begin, I would like to request all of you to stay in touch with the news because any escalation between USA and Iran will have a direct impact, and obviously, we will see a gap down opening. If nothing happens, then obviously we can expect the market to behave normally. But as we all know, 4,000 is a crucial level. Whenever gold is around 4,000, the direction of the market is not clear. So be careful and stay in touch with the news. Okay, so first and foremost, let's discuss the trading opportunities if market goes up from here. Suppose nothing happens during the weekend and we see that gold is trying to recover. Then what will happen? Opportunity number one is we can expect a kind of a SL hunting or liquidity grab around 408 to 83 because market made a high around 4083 on Friday. So let's assume the market goes up around 4087, 4090. Okay, market hits and market comes down. If that happens, we can look for a sell position below 4083. Because, see, you need to understand one thing very well that the actual range of goal is big. The actual range of goal is 4200 at the top, and then we have 3940, 3950 at the bottom. Sorry about the writing here. Okay. Okay. So 4200, 394050 is the actual range of the goal right now. And as we all know, in a range bound market, buying at support seller resistance is the best trading strategy. The trading opportunities that we are discussing right now are on the middle of the chart, and the trading opportunities on the middle of the chart are not very reliable. And if we wait for 394050 or 4200, we will have to wait for months and weeks. That also not possible. You can see now that see these two boxes are the actual range. So whatever we are discussing right now or we have been discussing are on the middle of the chart. That's why we have witnessed a lot of SL huntings, lot of liquidity sweep in the last couple of days. So opportunity number one is little bit of liquidity grab around 308283. So when market will be coming, because see, it's a minor level, I'm not expecting gold to reverse exactly from 30 sorry, not 30 408384. When market will be coming down below 404083, we can look for a sell position. The second trading opportunity you can see is buying and pullback. Later on, if you see that after a breakout, gold is taking support around 408384. If we see market taking support around this particular zone, means 40, let's make it 4083 to 80. So if market takes support around this area, we can look for a buy position. The first opportunity is selling below 4083 when market will be coming down. Second is buying at pullback when the same level will become the new support. Third opportunity is, remember we discussed on Friday, 4102 to 4112. This opportunity is still very much valid. The purple box, simple logic. Okay, the previous support will be working as resistance. So if market goes up, observe the market around 4102, 411012 area. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position. How much you can expect in all these opportunities? If we can get 80 to 100 pips also, well and good, because we need to understand one thing very well, that we are trading on the middle of the range, and trading on the middle of the range is always riskier. So these are the three trading opportunities where you can look for buy and sell if market goes up, and if nothing happens, okay, on the war front between USA and Iran. But if an escalation happens, if USA again drops bomb on Iran or Israel does something, then obviously oil prices will be going up on Monday, and we will see gold going down on Monday. If that happens, we can look for a sell position below this area, and the level is 4023. We can expect a breakdown. Okay, so if you are a day trader, then obviously you can look for a sell position below 4023 if USA and Iran does something, because oil will be going up, gold will be going down. This is our selling opportunity. And lastly, we can look for a buy around 4000. But here you can see, again, we are expecting a SL hunting or liquidity, because we have seen multiple times that 4000 is like a magnet. Okay, so if market breaks also 4000, there's a high chance that after hitting 3990, okay, it may come up. So if it does, we can look for a buy above 4000 again, because 4000 is not going down that easily. It is giving us a tough time, but the buyers are not surrendering. So as of now, these are the trading opportunities that I could see on the chart of gold. Yes, obviously there are some other buy sell levels also on lower time frames, but we need to understand one thing, that the weekends have become very dangerous. So we need to be practical and also look at the safety aspect here. So let's wait and watch and stay in touch with the news. Um, let's hope that peace comes very soon. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.